Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI and I want to show you this super cool Barbie. So any of you guys who are fans of Mickey Mouse, different Mickey cartoons, this is the Barbie Bambi. So this is a Disney one. It comes with different outfits and accessories, two different kinds of shoes. It's really cool because even though these are really long boots, they have a big slit in them so that you're able to put them on and off. She does come with another pair as well. The legs and the arms, they move a lot. They have like knees that bend and ankles and wrists. It's pretty cool. I find they all have a really pretty Disney princess-like looking face. If you look, like I find she kind of looks either like Rapunzel or something, even though she's not. They just have that really beautiful Disney uniqueness to them. Beautiful soft hair. And the really cool thing is there are different ones and they all come with a different colored ring. So my daughter really enjoyed this. She was really happy because this one was pink and then she adds it to her collection. I like the fact that you get to mix and match your outfits. She's got beautiful, beautiful makeup on her as well. You can just play with her, style her hair. It is long enough. Do whatever you want. Add her with your collection of Barbies. And my daughter absolutely loves having this girl to her collection, but that's just my point of view.